Ready? So today I have my mom here with me, and today we're going to be doing where I give her some Play-Doh and then give me some Play-Doh, and we're going to have to make a picture in 1 minute with the Play-Doh. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that if you don't make it in in a minute, then you fail this round. Because we get points and we get to do 3 rounds. We're starting now. And we have to guess what the picture is. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, now I have to guess what yours is.
This is mine. Oh, his head came off.
But, okay, now let me guess. Baywalk. I mean, not, that robot from...
Baymax?
Yeah.
No.
A cookie.
Mm-mm.
A snowman.
No, it was supposed to be a ladybug, but I didn't finish him.
Okay, here's mine. What's it supposed to be?
It looks like an otter.
Nope.
A person laying on his back.
No.
An alien.
No.
A mermaid.
Yes.
Ah, it's a mermaid. I got it.
Okay, so since I didn't guess what hers was, she has a point and I don't have a point. So.
Okay, let's go again. Ready?
Yes. Okay.
Nope, you don't have to pause it. Let's just go. Ready? When that gets to 40.
Set.
Set. Go.
Yeah. This piece yours. And done.
Okay.
So, guess mine.
Well, we have to show the camera here.
Here's
There's hers.
mine.
And there's mine.
So, I think yours is a snake.
Okay, yep.
And what do you think mine is?
Chicken eggs.
Nope.
A bear paw.
Nope.
I don't know.
Okay, it was supposed to be a tray of cookies, but I didn't get to finish my dots.
A tray of cookies.
Okay.
Okay,
So now we each have one point.
Okay, so this is our third and final time. When that gets
Yeah.
to 30, let's go. Okay, so 10 more seconds.
So
All right.
basically mine was supposed to be a tray of cookies, but I didn't get to finish my dots.
All right, ready, get set, go.
Shape it.
All right.
Okay. So, emoji.
Yep, mine's the winky face emoji, the crazy one that's going like that. Okay, let me see it.
So, this is an M. But what is...
I don't know. It looks kind of like popcorn.
How did you know?
Because you went popcorn. Oh, all right.
So basically I just lost a point for telling her that.
No, we're
So
even.
that was done. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.